Hello everyone. Today we shall learn how to write an application to the headmaster or headmistress praying for post publication scrutiny, commonly known as PPS, or post publication review, known as PPR, for Madhyamik Pariksha Secondary Education 2026. Before writing the application, remember one important point: successful candidates can apply for PPS, while unsuccessful candidates can apply for PPR. Now, let us see the format of the application step by step. But before that, I would like to ask you a question. Do you know the difference between PPS and PPR? Write your answer in the comments below. Now, let's begin writing the answer. First, write. So, today's topic is application. Once again, I repeat, today's topic is application for PPS or PPR of Madhyamik Pariksha 2026, full application writing format. And today's question is, write an application to the headmaster or headmistress of your school praying for post publication scrutiny, PPS, or post publication review, or PPR, of your answer script or answer scripts of Madhyamik Pariksha Secondary Education 2026. Mention your name, roll number, registration number, subject or subjects for which PPS or PPR is sought, and other necessary details. First, write to the headmaster or headmistress. Then write the name of the school here, and then write the address of the school here. Then write the subject line. Subject: prayer for PPS or PPR of Madhyamik Pariksha Secondary Education 2026. I once again repeat, please remember before writing the application, this is a very important point. Successful candidates can apply for PPS. PPS for successful candidates, while unsuccessful candidates can apply for PPR. PPR, post publication review, for unsuccessful candidates. After that, begin the body of the application with a respectful opening such as respected sir or madam. Respected sir or madam. Now write the main paragraph. I beg to state that I beg to state that I am a successful or an unsuccessful candidate. Of Madhyamik Pariksha Secondary Education 2026 from your institution. From your institution. After publication of the result, publication of the result, after publication of the result, I would like to apply for Post Publication Scrutiny. PPS or Post Publication Review. PPR. I once again repeat, please remember, successful candidates can apply for PPS, while unsuccessful candidates can apply for PPR. PPR of my answer script. Answer script or scripts in the following subject or subjects. In the following subject or subjects. Write the name of the subject or subjects here. My particulars are given below. Name, roll number, registration number, I am submitting a photocopy of my mark sheet of my mark sheet along with the prescribed fees for the above mentioned subject or subjects. I therefore pray to you kindly to forward my application for PPS or PPR to the appropriate authority and oblige. Thanking you. Yours obediently, put your full signature here. Write your full address here. Write your mobile number here. And write date and place here. Date and place here. Dear students, always remember to maintain proper format, neat handwriting, and polite language while writing an application. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this lesson helpful, do not forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your YouTube channel Application Writing. Thank you.